Identify the incorrect statement. Students, in this question we are given with 4 statements and we have to identify the incorrect one. So let's read. Number 1, the transition metals and their compounds are known for their catalytic activity due to their ability to adopt multiple oxidation states and to form complexes. Students, this is the correct statement. Moving to next. Interstitial compounds are those which are formed when small atoms like hydrogen, carbon or nitrogen are trapped inside the crystal lattice of metals. Student, this is also a correct statement. Moving to next. The oxidation state of phosphorus in P2O3 and H3PO3 are the same. Student, this is also a correct statement, as in P2O3 the oxidation state of phosphorus is +3 and in H3PO3 the oxidation state of phosphorus is again +3. Moving to the last statement, E0 value of Ce4 plus to Ce3 plus is negative. Student, this is an incorrect statement, as the E0 value of Ce4 plus to Ce3 plus is positive. I am also writing the value. Its value is 1.74 volt. That means the correct answer is option number D. Moving to the next question, students. Which of the following statements is correct about carbon monoxide? Students, in this question we are given with 4 statements and we have to identify the correct statement. So let's start with statement A. It enhances oxygen carrying ability of blood. Student, this is an incorrect statement, as carbon monoxide, that is CO, decreases the oxygen carrying ability of blood. Moving to next statement. The carboxyhemoglobin, that is hemoglobin bound to carbon monoxide, is less stable than oxyhemoglobin. Student, this is also an incorrect statement, as the carboxyhemoglobin is 300 times more stable than oxyhemoglobin. Moving to next. It is produced due to complete combustion of carbon. Student, this is also an incorrect statement, as carbon monoxide, that is CO, is produced due to the incomplete combustion of carbon. Moving to the last statement. It is a neutral oxide. Student, this is a correct statement. CO, we have already discussed. CO, N2O and NO are neutral oxides. That means the correct statement is D, or we can say that the correct answer for this question is option D. Moving to the next question. If the equilibrium constant Kc for a reversible reaction is 5 into 10 raised to the power 13 at 300 Kelvin, then the value of delta Rg naught at the same temperature will be. Students, the options are 8.314 joule per mole per Kelvin into 300 Kelvin into ln 10 raised to the power 13. The next option is 8.314 joule per mole per Kelvin into 300 Kelvin into ln 3 into 10 raised to the power 13. Next option is minus 8.314 joule per mole per Kelvin into 300 Kelvin into log 4 into 10 raised to the power 13. The last option is minus 8.314 joule per mole per Kelvin into 300 Kelvin into ln 5 into 10 raised to the power 13. Student, first of all, you have to go through with the options thoroughly, since it is very clear that the options are a bit confusing. You can see that this question can be solved using a very easy formula, but see the options. These options are really confusing. So have patience, solve the question and then put the correct answer. Students, a very easy formula is used for this question, which is delta Rg is equals to delta Rg naught plus RT ln Qc. We know that at equilibrium, here I am writing at equilibrium delta Rg is equals to 0 and Qc is equals to K. So let's put the values of these two in the above equation. 0 is equals to delta Rg naught plus RT ln K. That means delta Rg naught is equals to minus RT ln K. Let's put the values of R, T and K in the equation. The value of R is 8.314 joule per mole per Kelvin. The value of temperature is 300 Kelvin, and then ln, the value of K was already given in the question, which is 5 into 10 raised to the power 13. That means the correct answer is option number D. Moving to the next question. Which of the following ligands has the strongest field strength to form coordination compounds? The options are S2 minus, F minus, NH3 and H2O. So students, I am writing the order of ligand field strength that was given in the spectrochemical series. So here is the order of ligand field strength. Among the following, the strongest is NH3, followed by H2O, further followed by F minus, and the least field strength is of S2 minus. That means the correct answer is NH3, or we can say that NH3 has the strongest field strength to form the coordination compounds. Moving to next question. Identify compound Z in the following sequence of reactions. Students, in this question we are given with a sequence of reactions and we have to find out the final product. So let's consider the reaction. RMgX plus CO2 gives Y, which on acidic hydrolysis gives Z. The options are a carboxylic acid, an aldehyde, a ketone or an alcohol. So student, first of all let's write the reaction and then we will be able to find out what is Z. So we are given with RMgX, that is Grignard reagent. Here R has delta minus, magnesium has delta positive. This reacts with CO2, that is carbon dioxide. Here it is delta plus, delta minus, delta minus. This R will attack on the carbonyl carbon. As a result, this pi bond will shift towards oxygen and the compounds of formed will be R, C double bond O, O minus, Mg, X, and there will be a positive sign on magnesium. This on acidic hydrolysis, that is H3O positive, gives R, C double bond O, OH, that is a carboxylic acid, and along with that magnesium, X and OH. That means the correct answer is option number A. A carboxylic acid is formed in the final product. Moving to the next question.